Talking about him, as I am the very much fond of reading about the biographies about the people today, so I am here to present myself on the topic KFC founders, Mr. Colonel Harland David Sander, who is a prominent figure for the food industry, and he is an American businessman who was born in 1890 in the September 9 in the Henry Villa Henry Villa Henry Villa of in Indiana's sorry Indiana state of US, and he was the oldest son of the three children of Wilbur Sander and was Margaret Ann, and then after that when his father died when he was at the age of 5, he has to take the responsibility of his younger brothers and sister and his mother. When his mother used to go to the work, he has to take the responsibility of his brothers and have to cook the foods for them. So from that time he started cooking different recipes taught by his mother. Then meanwhile, with the growing age, he started to work as a salesman, conductor, fireman, salesperson, and different jobs. At the age of 13, he started his career as beginning as a farm worker. Then after that, he married in the year 1903 with Joseph Key. When he was a conductor in the bus stations and all over. Then after that, while being the conductor in the bus station, he used to study a law, and meanwhile he started his career in the law as well. But he ended the legal career in the meanwhile due to the brawling with his own client in the courtroom. And after the ending his lawyer profession, he started with the as a salesman in a life insurance company, Prudential Life Insurance. After that, he went to the Winchester, Kentucky, where he started again a job as a salesperson for a New Jersey manufacturing plant. But after the closing of that manufacturing company, he had no any options to work on. Then he started to work in the kitchen in a fueling stations as a dish serving person, as a waiter. Then slowly he began to make his dishes in the kitchen with the permission of the that fuel station manager. That fuel station manager permitted to start his own restaurant in that area, Winchester, Kentucky. Then he started to cook his secret recipe, chicken recipe, which is famous in the world till date. And after that, he was given that recipe was very much famous in that area. Then he was given a title colonel. Like his original name is Harland David Sander, but he was given a title by Ruby Lafon as a colonel for making those special dishes for the people and serving the people. Then he went. After that, he started in 1930s. The KFC was originated, and after that, then it started. It went popular. It was very much famous and renowned all over the places over there. Then he approached for the franchising. Then in 1952, the franchising approach was in a large success. He firstly franchised with the Peter Harman. Peter Harman. Then after he sold his franchising corporation. With that, I end up after franchising, he went after till date. There are 18,852 KFC outlets worldwide. At the age of 90 he died, and moreover that it is success in the worldwide, and it's one of the largest fast food in the world. Thank you.